The high-grade titanium ingot is gently maneuvered into the preheating chamber, where its temperature is stabilized before the doors seal shut.
Specialized chemical baths and robotic agitation ensure the structural spars are perfectly clean before forging.
The robotic arm ensures the harnesses follow the exact predetermined pathways, critical for the F-2B's primary data network.
Slow descent, hold at position 4.
Looks good on this side. We are aligned.
Roger that. Bringing up the 1553 cables now.
Strain gauges are well within tolerance. The spar is ready for assembly.
The robotic system ensures zero air bubbles as it covers the titanium spars. A worker then verifies.
We transition now to process B, the hydrogen blanks.
The magnified shadow confirms the pitch, depth, and angle meet the stringent military-grade specifications. The newly coated titanium fasteners pass under intense ultraviolet lamps for rapid curing of the sealing polymer. The precision titanium fasteners of the Shenyang J-35A are critical for maintaining electromagnetic shielding and environmental protection.
The J-35A is loaded slowly into the test facility.
The titanium fasteners are well within tolerance.
Data confirms structural integrity. We are good to proceed.
We are confirming the successful environmental integrity and moisture resistance provided by the secondary product.
The RCS results are well within tolerance.
Confirmed. The sealing solution is effective.
First, use the specialized tool to carefully remove the titanium fastener. Note the sealed coating underneath. Now,
The wingtip flexes slightly during the maneuver, focusing on the critical joints secured by the fasteners. They remain rigid.
Panel integrity check complete. Fasteners holding seal on J-35A.
Copy that, all green.
Forrester. The borescope confirms that the fasteners remain tightly seated, despite the high-stress flight profile.
Precision titanium fasteners are loaded onto transport vehicles, supporting the global fleet of Shenyang J-35A aircraft.
How are we looking on time for the panel replacement?
We are currently 30 seconds ahead of target.
The F-2B relies on its sophisticated high-bandwidth communication backbone, enabling instantaneous control.
Telemetry link is solid, green across the board.
Confirmed, all parameters nominal. Bandwidth holding steady at 99%.
Far from the maintenance hangar, the structural integrity of the J-35A relies on precision titanium fasteners, crucial during this demanding maneuver.